Bitcoin, Ethereum prices fall as market braces for more Fed rate hikes. SBF's $250 million bail guarantors should be made public, rules judge. Hong Kong to require stablecoin licensing as early as this year. Celsius used new customer funds to pay for withdrawals, independent examiner says. NFT marketplace SudoSwap airdrops tokens to liquidity providers and auction holders. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets were trading lower on Tuesday ahead of Fed's decision regarding interest rate hikes later in the week. Bitcoin dropped below the crucial $23,000 level, while Ethereum was hovering around $1,600 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.2% at 32,500 points. Alameda Research has filed a new lawsuit seeking to recover about $445.8 million from the bankrupt crypto broker Voyager Digital. The latest lawsuit filed with the US bankruptcy court related to loans Voyager made to Alameda before the crypto broker's bankruptcy in July 2022. The upcoming interest rate decision due out of the Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting will impact the global markets, analysts believe. Traders widely expect a 25 basis point increase but will await commentary for clues into how much further the Fed intends to hike or when it plans to cut rates. Although some analysts believe that a 50 basis point hike remains a possibility amid ongoing worries about inflation. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization was trading lower around $1.04 trillion, dropping 1.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto trading volume decreased by 7% to stand at $51.6 billion. Interestingly, traders in India would be watching decisions pertaining to digital currencies during the upcoming budget. Last year, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman surprised crypto traders by proposing 30% tax on crypto gains plus 1% tax deducted at source on payments made on transfer of digital assets. Stock futures declined as traders wrap up what has been a strong month for equities. Futures tied to the S&P 500 dipped 0.3%, while futures connected to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.3% or 95 points, while Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.5%. Bitcoin was trading at $22,890, down 1.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1%, trading at $1,570.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The two people who held former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried with his $250 million bail bond could have their identities revealed next month after a recent ruling by United States District Judge Lewis Kaplan. According to January 30 filing, Kaplan granted the joint petition from 8 media outlets to unseal the names of two individuals for the limited purpose of asserting the public's claimed right of access to the identities. He noted, however, that there was not much weight in favor of either side of the argument. An unsealing of the guarantors' names also is not guaranteed, as Kaplan has given Bankman-Fried's legal counsel until February 7 to contest the decision. The judge wrote that an appeal is likely and stated that if a notice of appeal from this order is filed by then, he would extend the deadline to February 14 to permit an application for a further stay to be made. Bankman-Fried was released from custody in December after two unknown people signed on as sureties for the $250 million bond, along with Bankman-Fried's parents, Joseph Bankman and Barbara Fried. Hong Kong is set to demand mandatory licensing for stablecoin issuers and won't allow algorithmic stablecoins, its top financial regulator said on Tuesday. Entities conducting regulated activity in Hong Kong will have to obtain a license to operate stablecoin services. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority laid out its regulatory plans after receiving feedback on a discussion paper published last year. Based on the 58 responses it received, the regulator said it will set up a regime to supervise stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies whose value is pegged to other assets. To start with, the HKMA plans to supervise the governance, issuance and stabilization of fiat-backed stablecoins, for which issuers must maintain reserves matching the amount of crypto in circulation. Stablecoin reserves have come under heavy regulatory scrutiny around the world since 2021, when the issuer of the top stablecoin by market capitalization, Tether, revealed much of its reserves were made up of unsecured short-term debt. Major economies like the US, the European Union and Japan also are working on controls for stablecoin issuers. Celsius misled its investors and on occasion used new customer funds to pay for other customers' withdrawals, the usual definition of a Ponzi scheme, an independent examiner of New York bankruptcy court said in a Tuesday filing. In September, Shobha Pillai was asked by the court to offer an outside view of goings-on at the crypto lender has now published an account of firm's operations in the run-up to bankruptcy being declared in July. Promises of a community-led lending system offering lavish returns and financial freedom clashed with the reality where the company itself was largely creating the market in native token CEL and was not open with customers about the risks they faced, Pillai said. On June 12, Celsius paused customer withdrawals, and had it not done so, new customer deposits inevitably would have become the only liquid source of coins for Celsius to fund withdrawals, she said. Pillai also uncovered significant tax compliance deficiencies in the company, saying its mining arm may owe over $23.1 million in used taxes and has reserved $3.7 million in liability in UK value-added tax. Popular non-fungible token marketplace SudoSwap on Monday issued and airdropped its Sudo tokens to users based on predetermined criteria. Eligible for the airdrop were early liquidity providers on SudoSwap as well as holders of Oxman NFTs, an NFT collection created by SudoSwap's founding team. Furthermore, Oxman is Ethereum-based utility token. Oxman's project can lock up their tokens on SudoSwap to receive Sudo tokens after 1 month. Some users received over $100,000 worth of tokens at the time of airdrop, as per the blog director of research, Steven Zhang, who compared the valuation to Lux, another NFT project, and based the token values on the 60 million initial Sudo supply. The Sudo tokens are initially not transferable but can be used to vote on governance decisions to determine SudoSwap's future development and ecosystem strategies, developers said. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
MasterCard has partnered with Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, to launch another prepaid crypto card in Latin America. Binance announced the launch of the Binance Card in Brazil on January 30th. DOC, a payment institution regulated by the Brazilian Central Bank, issued the new card. It will enable new and existing Binance users in the country with valid national IDs to make purchases and pay bills in cryptocurrency. The card is currently in beta testing and will become widely available in the coming weeks, according to Binance. At the point of sale, the card will allow for real-time conversion of 14 crypto assets to fiat. Perks include up to 8% cashback in crypto on eligible purchases and 0 fees on some ATM withdrawals. BNB was trading at $310, down 1.42% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $49 billion. Chainlink, the leading provider of blockchain data oracles, has delved into dynamic NFTs. It believes that they will be the next step in token technology, similar to how the internet evolved from static pages. A dynamic NFT is an NFT that contains encoded smart contract logic. This also allows it to automatically change its metadata based on external conditions. As the DNFT ecosystem grows and NFTs become more deeply integrated with the real world, Chainlink serves as a link between the two disconnected worlds, enabling the development of automated, decentralized, and engaging DNFT processes. The network also aims to become the leading data feed provider for the decentralized finance ecosystem. Furthermore, Chainlink price feed have several advantages, as noted in a tweet on January 30th. Link was trading at $6.97, down 4.22% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $3 billion. Shiba Inu was the most viewed doggy-themed token in 2022 according to leading cryptocurrency aggregator CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap announced this in a recent tweet in which it introduced its 2023 crypto playbook. Even during this bear market, meme coins like Shiba Inu was still viewed quite frequently across almost all regions globally, CMC observed. Notably, Shiba Inu surpassed other canine-themed cryptocurrencies such as DogeCoin and Baby Doge last year to become the most viewed meme coin on CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu was the most viewed token in CMC's Dog-Garrel category with 48.69% total views. Baby Dogecoin was ranked second with 21.83% views. Dogecoin Mars, and Floki Inu were ranked third, fourth, and fifth respectively. The most prominent SHIB burn project, dubbed SHIB Superstore, recently announced that it has sent a staggering 11.83 million SHIB to the dead wallet in a single transaction using the official SHIB burn portal. SHIB was trading 1.80% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV.